you're looking for a way to use Google as the default search engine here in Microsoft Edge, well, this one is pretty simple. Now, typically speaking, if you try searching for something, like if you go to search address here and just type in a phone, it's going to be Apple. Like this is an example, it might use a different one. So in my case, it's using bing.com here instead of Google. So how do we change that? Now, what we need to do is, again, you want to open up Microsoft Edge. You want to go ahead and click on the three dotted option at the top right of the screen, and you want to choose the settings option. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go to the left side here, and you want to look for the option for search. Now, it's going to be under privacy search and services. Let's go and click on it, and again, you want to look for something similar to search. So let's go and choose the search and connected experiences. From here, we want to go and choose the address bar here and search option. And as you can see, it's going to say search engine use and address bar, which in this case, if you want to switch this to Google, you just need to click on the drop down here. Choose Google, and from here, you should be able to start using Google. But just in case, like for example, you want to use a different search engine, you go and click on manage search engine, and you can just add one if you want. So you need to just add a URL. Just click on add here, add the URL or search engine shortcut for it, and URL with a percentage in place of query. So in this case, let's try and go back here. As you can see, Google is now added. Let's go ahead and create a new tab here and maybe search Apple again. And as you can see, it's now using Google. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.